is Mustang wife. Oh, I'm a Mustang boy. Oh, I'm a Mustang boy. And I'm trying to make it. And I'm gonna stay.
Son, we don't do that Allen boy stuff. What's up, YouTube? This is a Two Stangs production. I'm your host, Two Stangs. YouTube, today you're gonna notice something a little different. The white convertible is outside of the garage. Yes, it's back up and running and started, and we are mobile. We're moving around, going for rides, and today we're gonna take a ride to the park. So YouTube, the convertible, it's been down for a little while, and all it was a coil. A simple $80 coil kept my car down because I couldn't get it figured out. Called for some help, got a buddy to come over and help me out. You know, Mike had told me a while ago he felt like I was losing spark. Ordered it through Jegs, and it came the next day. So now we're back up and running. It's been a while. It's been a while. Been a while since we've been able to do this. I'm just glad I'm able to get out here in this and go for a ride. It's a beautiful day, YouTube. Good day to get out of your Foxbody. Any kind of Mustang, any kind of Ford.
A few moments later.
So I got the Mustang out. We at the park Sunday, Chickasaw Park, just out cruising. Good to have the car back running. now interrupt our regularly scheduled programming for this donut break.
Hit me.